Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter of grammar portion, chapter 9, prepositions. Our new chapter is about prepositions. So, don't you want to know what is preposition? Today we will study about it. Okay? So, now you want to take your grammar textbook. You want to take your grammar textbook and open page number 57. Page number 57. In this page, a picture is given there. You want to look at the picture and read the paragraph given below the picture. Okay? You can see a beautiful picture is there. A tree is there. So many bushes are there. Slide is there. One boy is there. And also one boy is hiding behind the tree. You can see so many kinds of things are there. Now we are going to read the paragraph which is given below the picture. Okay, let's start. Listen carefully. This is a picture of a park. Hassan is behind the tree. Rajat is on the slide. A little pup is near the slide. There is a cat between the bushes. A teddy is under the slide. Okay, so this is a picture of a park. Hassan. Okay, so one boy's name is Hassan. Hassan is behind the tree. Where is Hassan? Hassan is behind the tree. वो ट्री के पीछे है. वो ट्री के पीछे है. Rajat is on the slide. Where is Rajat? Rajat is on the slide. Slide में है Rajat. Slide के ऊपर है Rajat. A little pup is near the slide. Slide के पास एक pup है. एक little pup है. There is a cat between the bushes. Bushes के between में कौन है? Cat. A teddy is under the slide. Slide के नीचे एक teddy है. Okay, so this is all about the picture. This is a small paragraph about the park which you can see in the picture. Okay. So now we are going to study about what are prepositions. Okay. So below that, definition of preposition is given there. The words behind, on, near, between and under tell us where people, animals and things are. Here the words behind, on, near, between and under. These words tell us where people, animals and things are. Such possession words are called prepositions. What are prepositions? Possession words are called prepositions. Which are the prepositions here? Behind, on, near, between and under. These words help us to find out where the things are kept. Okay, so such possession words are called prepositions. This is a small definition about preposition. You also want to study the words which are given there in blue color. That words are behind, on, near, between and under. Okay, then now you want to take next page, page number 58. Page number 58. We are going to start with exercise A. Kaya has 8 kittens. Kaya has 8 kittens. Read on to find where they are. You want to read the given sentences. After that, you want to find where they are. Okay? Look at the picture. Beautiful picture is given. The sofas are there. A small table, lamp, window, curtain. So many kinds of things are there. Now, we will read the given sentences. Okay? So, listen carefully. First one. Jojo is sleeping on the sofa. Where is Jojo? Jojo is sleeping on the sofa. Now, I have not written the answers on the picture. After reading these sentences, I will give the answers. Okay? So, first one, where is Jojo? Jojo is sleeping on the sofa. Second one, Mojo is sitting between the teddy and the tablecloth. Where is Mojo? Mojo is sitting between the teddy and the tablecloth. Third one, Kojo is hiding behind the curtain. Where is Kojo? Kojo is hiding behind the curtain. Fourth one, Fido is playing with a ball of wool. Fido is playing with a ball of wool. Fifth one, Dido is under the table. Dido is under the table. Sixth one, Kiddo is jumping over the stool. Kiddo is jumping over the stool. Seventh one, Nono is in the basket. Nono is in the basket. Eighth one, Choco is near the lamp. Choco is near the lamp. Then, now we will label the answers here. Okay? I have written the names of all the kittens. I have labeled the names of all the kittens. You can see so many kittens are there in the picture. Some are hiding, some are sitting, some are in between. So now we will study about the prepositions and also the names of kittens where they are. Okay? So first one, Jojo. Jojo is sleeping on the sofa. Where is Jojo? You can see I have written the name of that kitten. Jojo in the picture. Jojo is sleeping on the sofa. वो सोफे में सो रहा है. Second one, Mojo is sitting between. यहाँ की preposition कौन सा है? Between. Between the teddy and the tablecloth. Okay, you can see Mojo is there. Mojo between में है, बीच में है. एक टेडी and एक tablecloth के बीच में वो बैठा है. Third one, Kojo is hiding behind the curtain. Where is Kojo? Kojo curtain के पीछे छुपा है. Then fourth one, Fido is playing with a ball of wool. Where is Fido? Fido क्या कर रहा है? Fido एक wool के बॉल से खेल रहा है. Then fifth one, Dido. Dido is under the table. Where is Dido? Table के नीचे है. Sixth one, Kiddo is jumping over the stool. वो क्या कर रहा है? स्टूल के ऊपर से वो जंप कर रहा है, कूद रहा है. Then seventh one, Nono is in the basket. वहाँ पर एक बास्केट है. बास्केट के अंदर कौन है? Nono. Then eighth one, Choco is near the lamp. वहाँ पर एक लैम्प है. लैम्प के आसपास कौन है? चोको। लैम्प के आसपास कौन है? चोको। ओके, तो ये है एक्टिविटी ए। यहाँ पर कौन सी वर्ड्स है प्रीपोजिशंस? ऑन, बिटवीन, बिहाइंड, विथ, under, over, in. The words which are there in blue color are the prepositions here. These words tells us about where the things, animals or people are kept. Those words are known as prepositions. So this is all about exercise A. Okay? Now we will do exercise B. Take next page. We will start with exercise B. Underline the prepositions in these sentences. You want to underline the prepositions from each sentence. 5 sentences are given there. Let's start doing this exercise. First one. Wood floats on water. First one, wood floats on water. यानी कि wood पानी के ऊपर तैरना. ओके, फ्लोट ऑन वाटर यानी कि पानी के ऊपर तैरना. सो हियर विच इज द प्रीपोजिशन? ऑन. यानी कि वो ऑन वर्ड हमें बताते हैं वो वर्ड कहाँ पर है, उसकी पोजीशन कहाँ है. इसीलिए यहाँ की प्रीपोजिशन है ऑन. सेकेंड वन, ए फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स flew over the tree. A flock of birds flew over the tree. बहुत सारे चिड़िया यानी कि ग्रुप ऑफ बर्ड्स, बहुत सारे चिड़िया ट्री के ऊपर से उड़ गए. Which is the preposition here? Over. ओके, पेड़ के ऊपर से, है ना. तो वो पोजीशन बताते हैं कहाँ पर है पोजीशन? पेड़ के ऊपर से. So here you want to underline the preposition over. Third one. I have a night lamp near my bed. I have a night lamp near my bed. वो बोल रहा है कि उसके बेड के पास एक लैम्प है, नाइट लैम्प है. So which will be the preposition here? You want to underline the word near यानी कि पास. तो उस लैम्प की पोजीशन कहाँ पर है? बेड के पास. So here you want to underline the preposition near. Fourth one. I have 5 marbles in my pocket. I have 5 marbles in my pocket. मेरे पॉकेट में कितने मार्बल्स है? 5. So where are these marbles? पॉकेट में है. तो which will be the preposition here? In. Okay, in. You want to underline the word in. Fifth one. Anna is sitting between Gopa and Joe. Anna is sitting between Gopa and Joe. Where is Anna sitting? Anna is sitting between Gopa and Joe. तो कौन सी वर्ड हो गई यहाँ की प्रीपोजिशन? Between यानी कि बीच में. गोपा एंड जो के बीच में बैठी है Anna. So you want to underline the word between. Okay. So this is all about today's class. Today we studied a new topic. Which is the topic? Prepositions. Position words are called prepositions. Okay? And also a small definition about preposition is given there. We have completed exercise A and B. Next day we will start with exercise C. Okay? So thank you.